What is up, fishing addicts? On today's video, we are wading DuPage River. I can't remember what town, but we're in the Riverview Park area. So we're gonna break down the pre-spawn bass fishing lures, setup, where we're gonna target them, and all the good stuff. So last week I was here. Was it last week? Yes, last week I was here, and had a shortage of lures, so made a new batch and got trailers this time. So we're gonna put up a leader line first, and I'm gonna put the leader tie on, and I'll catch you guys on the water. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Come on. Oh yeah. Ooh, look at the belly on this thing. Look at the belly on this thing. This thing smoked the molting craw. Look at that. Smoked the molting craw. Oh yeah. Look at it. Ooh, look at the belly on the camera. Look at the belly on this thing. She is about to explode. Look at that. Look at that. Look at the chopped tail. Something took a chunk out of the tail. Let her go. Nice and easy, but look at the belly. Holy crap. This is a future 5-pounder right there. It is a future 5-pounder right there. So what I was doing is I start working the slack water slowly, gripping the jig on the bottom. This is a spot number 2. Usually I catch a lot of fish over here. Pretty decent ones too. Working the slack water because that's where they're gonna be staging. Right now is the time they feed. Let's get a couple more. Okay, so I decided to switch spots and start walking to my third spot, and I saw a boat just float up on the area, and they anchored up right on the deeper spot where I will be catching fish. So I talked to them briefly and waited for them to leave. Corner over there. Yeah. There we go. Oh, a big one. Oh, a big one. Ah, come on. With the lure too. Oh my God. Oh my God. I should have retied. There was a nick there. I should have retied. Oh my God. I feel really shitty right now because I wouldn't have felt this bad if the fish just got off. But I feel shitty because he had a lure stuck on his mouth. That just ruined my whole day, guys. That just ruined my whole day. I really should have a better system of carrying these lures. Right now in the pack they get tangled and it's annoying at times. That was a real shitty move. And I sat down and I took a break because there was those guys fishing, and they were right at the area where fish will stage because the water depth and current. Oh my god, this line freaking sucks. I swear to god. I don't know why I keep on using it. I should just throw it in the garbage. I don't know why I'm freaking ranting. I guess. I'm gonna put on a flapper for over here. Take some off of it. There we go. Here we have it. Let's try again. Ooh, biggin, 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 biggin. Oh yeah. Oh, biggin, 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 biggin. There we go. Oh my god, look at this. Look at this. Eka, look at this. Oh yeah. Oh my god. Look at this. Look at this. Oh yeah, on the molten craw. Oh, come on. Oh yeah. Oh, look at this. That's a nice tank. Honestly, this is a male. That's for sure. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful bass. And there she goes. There he goes. Alright guys, we're using a molten craw. The little twin tail grub. And we're focusing right where the current is. I'm casting right in front of the current and dragging it slowly. Check my line. Line is good. I think it's good. We're gonna position ourselves and then continue. I'm pretty sure there's a couple more in. There we go. Oh my God, what a piece of shit reel. What a piece of shit reel. Now I'm gonna have to hand reel this fish. What a piece of shit reel. Oh my God. Wow. Wow. Just wow. Wow. We got the fish. We got the fish. Wow. I gotta look at this. Alright. Take a look at this. Wow, I'm so disappointed. I don't want to even. Wow. Wow. Anyways, I'm speechless. I'm gonna let this fish go real fast. There we go. There we go. This was a far cast, guys. This was a far cast. This was a far cast. And we're gonna flip it. 1, 2, 3. There we go. I wasn't even recording the right angle, but look at that. Woo boy. Nice little dink. well, it is what it is. Can't be always catching the big ones. But I knew there was gonna be a fish on the slack water. Ow. I'm gonna let this one go. So I cast it all the way over there on the slack water between the big ripples where the white water is, and he slammed it right in the middle. That's pretty far cast, but made it happen. So I'm gonna fish a couple of those spots. I fish all this area. Doesn't seem like there's anything else going on over here. Probably move on to a different spot or fish my way back out. Alright guys, we're gonna end the day over here. Bite was a little bit tough. I lost a lot of time walking back and forward just to grab my other reel, which luckily was in the car. Did not expect this to happen, to be honest. The whole reel came apart on a hook set. That's wow. I don't want to even use it, and I don't even have words for that, to be honest with you. Luckily I had another reel in my car, which is a little bit of walk to get to my car from the area I was fishing. But it is what it is. Overall was very productive. Did have fun. At least good thing it happened while I'm just fun fishing, and I was planning on using this reel on my tournament day in 2-3 weeks. So that's a good thing. It's going back to Amazon. I'm getting full refund on this, even though there's a piece missing. They can come over here and fish it out from the river, to be honest with you. That's how much I care. I noticed that the river dropped almost 2.5 inches since this morning. I noticed the area that I was fishing, the rocks, and the water level just dropped. So probably with this nice and warm temperatures we're getting, mid-April, they're gonna start staging for spawn. Right now they're just some of them start filling up their bellies, which is pretty cool. So I'm not gonna blab too much. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and that's it guys. I'll catch you guys on the next one.